Good morning, music friends. So good to see you. So happy you can join me today. By the way, grab your homemade shaker and be ready to play. I've got mine right here, and I put some different stuff in it today. I put some little pasta pieces. Take a look. These cool little curly pasta. Gives it a little bit different sound. Little deeper sound today on the shaker. So have that ready so we can sing, and let's have our instruments. Ready? 1, 2, here we go. Hello, hello, hello. I'm very glad to say hello, hello, hello. It's music time today. Do it again. Ready? 2, 3. Hello, hello, hello. I'm very glad to say hello, hello, hello. It's music time today. Hello, boys and girls. Ready? Hello, everybody. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Let's make music. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed, my friends. Hello, everybody. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Let's make music. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed, my friends. Hello, boys and girls. Hello, boys and girls. Hello, boys and girls. So good to see you today. Welcome, music friends. By the way, what's the name of the instrument that Mr. Benson was playing to you this morning? Can anyone tell me what this is called? It has a double reed. It has lots of keys and holes. It is called the oboe, and it is a member of the woodwind family. However, this is not an instrument that we normally start with in 6th grade band. Since oboe is more challenging than many other woodwinds, most oboists start by playing flute, clarinet, or saxophone for a year or two, and then if they're really, really good at it, they could switch to the oboe. Oboe is a more difficult instrument to play, therefore not usually played as a beginning band instrument in 6th grade. So it's something to keep an eye on. It's something to think about down the road, but you should play something else for a year or two before you attempt the oboe. So that's the oboe. Okay, next, it's time for our mystery melody. So today, I want you to see if you can guess the mystery melody. We've got a special guest here. My son Samuel and I will be playing this mystery melody on the piano. So here it is. Do you know what it is? If you have a guess, keep it in your mind. We'll talk about it a little bit later. I will give you the answer later in the lesson. All right, second grade friends, I have a story for you this morning. This is called Clara Schumann Cat and the Piano Recital. By the way, Clara is right here. I'll bring her down to you. This is my kitty. This is Clara Schumann Cat. This is her story. It was Beethoven Bear's and Mozart Mouse's favorite day of the week, the day they went with the children to their piano lesson. It was becoming quite a familiar routine. The music friends would play together all day in the playroom while the children were at school. As soon as the children got home from school, they would have a snack, put Beethoven Bear, Mozart Mouse, and their piano books in the music bag, and then go to their piano lesson. Today was different from other piano lesson days, however. The time seemed to pass so slowly. As soon as the children left for school, Mozart Mouse and Beethoven Bear began to count the hours until they would be home again. They sat together on the floor, playing with wooden building blocks. "What time is it?" Beethoven Bear asked Mozart Mouse, for what seemed to be the 100th time. "1 minute later than the last time you asked," Mozart Mouse replied. "I'm sorry," Beethoven Bear sighed. "It's just that I want it to be time to go to our piano lesson today." "Me too," Mozart Mouse agreed, nodding his head so vigorously that Beethoven Bear was sure the blocks would tumble down. "I'm so excited. I can't wait to show Clara Schumann Cat the surprise we have for her," added Mozart Mouse. Clara Schumann Cat was the piano teacher's cat. She knew everything about playing the piano, or so it seemed to the music friends. "Yes," said Beethoven Bear thoughtfully, as he carefully added another block. "I doubt that even a cat as clever as Clara Schumann Cat has ever seen what we have." He paused for just a moment to adjust one side of the blocks. "She is going to be very impressed." He sat back to admire his work. "You are right, my friend," Mozart Mouse agreed. "I just wish it were time to go." And so the day wore on, the two friends passing the time by playing with the blocks and other toys, all the while wishing the hours would go faster. Finally, when it seemed to be the hands on the clock couldn't move any slower, the children burst through the front door. "At last!" Mozart Mouse and Beethoven Bear shouted together. They ran down the stairs as quickly as a little bear and mouse could run. "I hope the children remember to put our surprise in the music bag," said Beethoven Bear, puffing a little from running. "Don't worry," Mozart Mouse reassured him. "They promised us." "This is going to be the best piano lesson ever," exclaimed Beethoven Bear. With these words, they quickly climbed into the music bag, ready for another exciting musical adventure. Once they were settled in the music bag and on their way, the music friends quickly checked to see if the surprise was there. "Ah, yes, here it is," Mozart Mouse said with a sigh of relief. "What do you think Clara will do when she sees what we've brought?" Beethoven Bear wondered. "I think she will be so surprised she won't even know what to say," declared Mozart Mouse. "Oh, and her eyes will get really big," he giggled. "Clara Schumann Cat speechless?" Beethoven Bear laughed. "Huh, I can't imagine the day she wouldn't have something to say." "Well, my friend," said Mozart Mouse, "I think today may be just such a day." So music friends, if you have a piano or keyboard, you're in good shape, because we are going to do a little piano lesson now. If you do not have a piano or keyboard, that's okay, because you can go on the Smithridge Music site and you can go download this sheet right here. It's called the Piano Keys Practice Sheet. You can download that and print it off, and you can actually use this as your piano. So either way, you'll be in good shape. All right, let's review the finger numbers first. I'll point and say them, and you do the same, or I'll hold them up. So it's 1 thumbkin. Say that together. Ready? 1 thumbkin. 2 pointer. 3 tall man. 4 ring man. 5 pinky. Let's do that again. 1 thumbkin, 2 pointer, 3 tall man, 4 ring man, 5 pinky. Also, music friends, remember, your piano hand will have gently curved fingers, like you are protecting a bubble underneath it. So now let's talk about the symbols on this page. We've got several here. First of all, I want to show you this. This is called a hand map. And this RH means right hand. So we're going to use our right hand today. Look, the number 1 over thumbkin, 2 over pointer, and 3 over tall man. So that means we're using 1, 2, and 3 today. Now let's go over here to the keyboard map. You can see that we are playing a C, a D, and an E. Now I also have some flashcards to show you. But I need to do that. Hang on, let me find those right now. We're going to skip those right now because I think I'm going to just show you right here. This will work too. So we're going to do this. The first one is letter C, and you notice the 1 underneath it. So we're going to use 1 thumbkin on the C. And C is just to the left of the 2 black keys. So if you're on the paper, you find it right here. There it is. There's your C, and you're gonna put your thumb right there. Okay? Now, here's the D with 2 pointer in yellow, and that's right in between the 2 black keys. There it is on the paper, that's the D. And here it is on the piano. And then in red, we have the E played by our tall man. So the E with 3 tall man on the piano, on the paper piano. It's right here. See that? There's the E. It's just to the right of the 3 black keys. And on the piano, or keyboard, it's right there. Okay, now let's talk about some other symbols on this page. F is forte, which is loud sounds. We have dotted half notes, which are 3 beats of sound each. We have quarter notes, which are 1 beat of sound each. We have a repeat sign at the end, which means go back. See, there's that repeat sign. That means go back and play it all again. And we have the bar lines. Those bar lines separate the measures. So we've got those vertical bar lines. There's one right here, there's one right here, and there's one right here. Okay, so now we're going to clap this piece. It's called Clara's Surprise. See how she's very surprised. Okay, so you guys clap, and I will point to the notes and count them as we do this. Now remember, you guys are just about 3rd grade, so we are doing numerical counting. Excuse me. Which means that instead of tas and ts, you guys are going to actually count these values. So if a dotted half note is 3 beats, you're going to say 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now let's repeat it. You're going to clap, and when I move my finger, that's when you clap. Okay, here we go. 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You did it. Okay, now we did steps 1 and 2 together, but now you can do this with me. Here we go. You point to the notes with me on the video. Let's do this together. Ready? 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's it. Now we're on step 3. Say the finger numbers aloud while playing them in the air. So, lift your hand off the keyboard or the piano keys practice sheet. So you're just having air fingers right now. We're going to say those finger numbers. See the little numbers above the note? That refers to finger 1, finger 2, finger 3. This is also finger 3. This is finger 2, and this is finger 1. So we're going to go like this. We're going to go like this. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Again, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Okay, next, we're going to actually do that again, but this time on the actual notes, on the keys of the piano or keyboard, or put your fingers on the sheet. Here we go. 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Good. Now we do the note names. That's the letter names that are given here. So we'll do the same thing, but we'll say the letter names. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. C, D, E, E, D, C. Repeat. C, D, E, E, D, C. This is where you put it all together. So you may want to rewind the video and do this one a couple times. Okay, last step. Play and sing the words. You see the words there. We've got 2 verses. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Clara will be surprised. We can tell by her eyes. Okay, music friends. So now it's time to identify today's mystery melody. What was your guess? If you guessed Puff the Magic Dragon, you are correct. Let me sing the words to you. And this is a good time to grab your homemade shaker if you have it. So pause the video, grab it, or you can clap. I'm going to teach you a little rhythmic motive to go with it. It goes like this. Puff the Magic Dragon. Again, with our shaker, same thing. Ready and go. Puff the Magic Dragon. Okay? Now here's the whole chorus of the song. I'll teach you the words. It goes like this. Puff the Magic Dragon lived by the sea and frolicked in the autumn mist in a land called Honolulu. Puff the Magic Dragon lived by the sea and frolicked in the autumn mist in a land called Honolulu. And there you have it. Music friends, what did we do today? Well, we warmed up our voices. We identified the oboe, which is a double reed instrument. It is a member of the woodwind family because it has holes and keys and it's played with a reed. We heard a mystery melody on the piano. We identified some piano notes. And we were musicians by playing piano in the air, on the sheet, or on the keyboard itself. And we discovered the mystery melody today, which is Puff the Magic Dragon. And we played the opening rhythm of that. Music friends, it was so nice to have you today. Stay safe, keep washing those hands, be good to your parents. Music friends, I miss you all. Keep watching these videos. We'll see you next time. In the meantime, goodbye everybody, yes indeed, yes indeed, yes indeed. Let's make music, yes indeed, yes indeed, my friends. Goodbye boys and girls. See you next time. Bye music friends.